Here in this question, a rectangular garden is 10 meter by 16 meter. So I am drawing a rectangular garden. It is 10 meter by 16 meter. Now, is to be surrounded by a concrete wall of uniform width. Given that the area of the wall. Now, there is a wall and it is of uniform width, means the width is equal from all the sides. Here, all width is equal. And it is given that assuming the width of the wall to be x. Now, this part is x. Here this part is also x. Here this part is also x. And this part is also x. And walk area is given 120, means this area here, this area is given 120 meter square. So you need to find the equation. Now what I can do here I can take the area of the big rectangle minus area of the small rectangle will be equal to area of the walk. Now if I am taking area of the big rectangle, so this here we have x and here we have x and this is 16. So the total length will be 16 plus 2x. Here from here to here we have 10. This is x and this is x. So from here to here total it will be 10 plus 2x. So the area of big rectangle will be 10 plus 2x into 16 plus 2x. Now area of a small rectangle will be 10 into 16 minus 10 into 16 and this will be equal to the area of the walk. Area of the walk is given 120. Now I need to solve this equation. I will multiply. I will get 10. When I am multiplying 160, 10 is multiplied here. So you will get 20x. 2x is multiplied here, 32x. And 2x is multiplied with 2x. You will get 4x square minus 160 equals to 120. Now 160 cancels out because it is negative and here it is positive. 20x plus 32x is 52x plus 4x square here equals to 120. Now whole equation I am dividing with 4. So I will get here, if I will divide with 4 I will have x square. Here dividing with 4 I will have 13x and here dividing with 4 I will get 30. Now 30 I am bringing on this side. So x square plus 13x minus 30 equals to 0. Now here we have a factor which on subtraction should give you 13. So 15 into 2 on subtracting you will get 13. So here I can write x square plus 15x minus 2x minus 30 equals to 0. Now I can factor out. I will have one factor as x plus 15 and another factor will be x minus 2 equals to 0. Now from here I will get x negative. That is not possible. So x is equal to 2 meter will be our required answer. Now here we have a question. In a PT display, 480 students are arranged in rows and columns. If there are 4 more students in each row than the number of row, then we need to find out number of students in each row. So we can take, let number of rows equals to x. If number of rows is x and here it is given 4 more students in each row. So number of students in each row will be your x plus 4. Now rows are x and number of students in each row is x plus 4. So total number of students will be your x into x plus 4. Now in the question it is given that total number of students are 480. So it means x plus 4, x into x plus 4 is 480. Now we can solve this making quadratic equation. This 480 I am bringing it here. Now 480 factor which will work here is 20 into 24. So I can write here 24x minus 20x in place of 4x equals to 0. Or here factoring out x, I will have x plus 24 in one bracket and in another bracket I will have x minus 20 equals to 0. So x equals to 20 is your number of rows. Now, number of student in each row, number of student in each row, we have taken x plus 4, so it will be 20 plus 4, that is 24. So this is our required answer. I am taking a new question here. Rupees 480 is divided equally among x students. So if rupees 480 is divided equally among a student, each child will get rupees 480 over x. Now it is saying if number of children are 20 more. If number of children are 20 more, then each would have got rupees 12. If number of children are 20 more, means now the number of children are your x plus 20. So each will get 480 over x plus 20. Now it is saying then each would have got rupees 12. So earlier whatever they were getting, now from that if I subtract this one, I will get rupees 12. Means whatever the earlier they were getting and now this they are getting, this is less than 12 here from this. So from this I can write the equation 480 upon x minus, now what they are getting is 480 upon x plus 12, and the difference of both of them is 12. Now we need to solve them. So I can take 480 common. I will have 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 20 equals to 12. This can cancel out. I will get 40 here. Now 1 over x, I will take LCM. So here I will get x plus 20 and 40 is outside. Here I will get x plus 20 minus x. Now this will cancel out and here I have 1. Now I can cross multiply it here and this 40 is multiplied here. So 800 equals to x square plus 20x. 800 I am taking on that side. So I will get x square plus 20x minus 800. Now the factors of 800 which will give you 20 is 40 into 20. 40 minus 20 will give you 20. So from here I can write x square plus 40x minus 20x minus 800 equals to 0. Okay. Now factoring out x, I will get x plus 40 in one bracket and from here x minus 20 in one bracket. So the value of x will be 20. So this is our required answer.